In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Royal Mail to Shopify. This process will seamlessly integrate your Royal Mail shipping options with your Shopify store, allowing you to efficiently fulfill orders and provide customers with accurate shipping details. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin panel. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the homepage. This is the central hub where you'll manage all aspects of your store, from orders and products to new app installations. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Apps section on the left-hand side of the panel. Clicking here will open up more options where you will see an Add Apps button. Click on Add Apps to begin the process of integrating a new app into your Shopify store. This step is crucial as it opens the doorway for connecting third-party providers like Royal Mail. The next step is to access the Shopify App Store. Within the App section, you'll find a direct link that takes you straight to the Shopify App Store. Clicking this link will open a new window or tab where you can browse through thousands of available applications. The Shopify App Store is a powerful resource for customizing your store's functionality. With the App Store open, it's time to locate the Royal Mail app. Type Royal Mail into the search bar at the top of the page. This search will direct you to a list of results related to Royal Mail shipping options. The search functionality ensures that you can quickly and efficiently find the exact app you need without scrolling through irrelevant options. From the search results, find the Royal Mail application that suits your shipping needs. You'll typically look for an app called Royal Mail Shipping Extension, or something similar. Click on the app's name in the list, which will take you to the details page of that application. This page offers valuable information about the app's features, user reviews, pricing, and more. Once you're on the app's detail page, you'll find the Add App button prominently displayed. By clicking this button, you're initiating the installation of the Royal Mail app into your Shopify store. Make sure you're logged into the right Shopify account, as this step directly integrates the app with the chosen store. After clicking Add App, you may need to confirm the installation. Review any permissions or requests for access that the app might need. Some apps require you to log in or set up an account with them directly. Once installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message and you can begin configuring Royal Mail settings directly within your Shopify dashboard. And there you have it. With Royal Mail now connected to your Shopify store, you can automate and manage your shipping more effectively. Thank you for joining me today and happy selling.